guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have done a white graphic liner look today and some lollipop lips. If you want to recreate this look, keep on watching. First, I'm going to apply my foundation and blend that out with my beauty blender. Next, I'm going to be applying my concealer on parts of my face that I want to highlight to give that 3D effect. Then I blend that out. Then I start applying loose powder to set the areas that I used concealer. Then I apply primer to my lids to keep my eyeshadow in place. Now I apply Poodle to my crease from my Truly Deeply Mattely palette from Colourpop. When I apply eyeshadow, I usually take my time to blend it out so it looks perfectly blended. Then I apply too much to the outer corners of my eyes. Next, I'm going to carefully use my concealer to cut my crease and lightly blend the concealer in the middle of my lids. Now I pat Mr. Sandman over the concealer. Before I applied the shadow, I wet my brush with my setting spray to help the shadow pop on my lids. Then I use Pretty Curl and use it to blend the two colors together harmoniously, and add to the parts of my eye that I want to darken up. I move on to applying my white liner with my angled brush. Using an angled brush makes the process of drawing the liner much easier. I usually try to align my brush with my waterline to create the perfect angle for my liner. As for the product, this was my only white liner and I don't recommend it. The liner clumps up when I apply it with the original applicator, but it works well when I apply it with my angled brush. Now I use my black liner to draw a thin line over my lids so that when I apply my lashes, they blend in with my lash line better. Now I apply too much to the bottom of my eyes to give a nice smoky look. I now go back to applying white liner to the inner corners of my eyes to give a more edgy appearance. I am now filling in my eyebrows to give a more shaped and fuller look. I am applying bronzer to contour and give warmth to my face. I usually apply it around my forehead, my nose, and a little under my cheekbones and on my jawline to have a more defined look. I apply my highlighter on parts of my face that I want to pop out more. Now I apply mascara to my lashes so that when I apply my falsies, they blend in easier. I applied duo lash glue and carefully applied my lashes as close as possible to my lash line. For my lollipop lips, I apply my lipstick to the inner part of my lips and blend outward with my finger. Now that I've finished my makeup, I curled my hair off camera and added some gold glitter to the bottom of my eyes to have a little fun with my look. I've definitely enjoyed doing this look because it's very edgy and yet playful. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for any new videos that I upload. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!